In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Prospecting Workplace in HubSpot. First, sign into your HubSpot account and start from the homepage. From the left-hand navigation, expand the More menu, then choose Sales. In the Sales section, open Prospecting Agent. This brings you into the Prospecting Workplace, the hub for organizing outreach, tracking lead activity, and staying on top of your day. Once you're in, head to the overview. This is your daily command center. Here you'll see your tasks for the day, highlights from recent lead activity, and any upcoming follow-ups you don't want to miss. Think of this as your starting point each morning. Scan what's urgent, what's new, and what needs a response. Scroll down and you'll spot a section that begins with, "Hi, I'm Prospecting Agent." This is your central control panel. It brings together key tools and settings that guide your prospecting. If you're new to the workspace, pause here for a moment to get familiar. This is where you'll fine-tune who you're targeting and how your outreach runs. Inside this panel, select Edit My Selling Profiles to update your target preferences. Use this to define your ideal customer criteria, such as industries, roles, and other filters, so HubSpot focuses on the right accounts and contacts. Keep your profile specific and up to date. A clear profile makes your recommendations and automations far more effective. Right next to that, choose View Automations to see the outreach automations currently in use. This is helpful for confirming which sequences or workflows are active and ensuring your messaging aligns with your target segments. A quick review here can prevent overlap and keep your outreach consistent. On the right side of the overview, you'll find the Daily Outreach card. This surfaces recommended actions and scheduled touches for today, helping you prioritize without digging through multiple lists. Work through this card to keep momentum and maintain clean records. Scroll further down to locate the enrollment section. This area gives you visibility into who's currently enrolled in your outreach. It's a simple way to understand the flow of prospects through your programs. From there, click View All Enrollments in the top right of that section to open the Detailed Enrollment Management area. Here you can explore enrollment details and get a deeper understanding of what's active and what's pending. Finally, go to the Analyze tab. This is where you refine targeting, adjust messaging, and make smarter decisions based on real performance. Review what's working, spot bottlenecks, and use those insights to improve your next round of outreach. That's the tour. Follow this path each day to stay organized, focused, and effective inside HubSpot's Prospecting Workplace.